In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks, whether you're fixing a typo, updating quantities, or adjusting a price. This quick process will help you keep your billing accurate and professional. Start by heading to the search bar at the top of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click into that bar and type the word Invoice. From the search suggestions or results, choose Invoices. This takes you straight to the list of all your invoices so you don't have to dig through menus. It's a fast way to jump right to what you need. On the Invoices page, you'll see a list of your invoices, typically with columns like customer, date, amount, and status. Find the invoice you want to change. On the right-hand side of that invoice row, look for the View and Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This opens the full invoice details so you can make all your updates in one place. Inside the invoice, you can adjust what's necessary. Update the customer message if you need to clarify something, edit the invoice date or due date to reflect new terms, and review each line item carefully. If a product or service needs a new description, a different quantity, or a price correction, make those changes here. Check the taxes, discounts, and totals recalculate correctly as you edit. If you use fields like class, location, or memo for internal notes, this is a good time to keep those consistent so your reporting stays clean. Small details matter. Double-check spelling, amounts, and that the right customer is selected before you move on. When everything looks right, click Review and Send. This step lets you preview how the invoice will appear to your customer, including the email message and attached PDF. Take a moment to scan for any last-minute adjustments. Clear, accurate invoices reduce back and forth and help you get paid faster. If something still needs tweaking, you can return to the invoice screen and refine it. Otherwise, proceed to share the updated invoice with your customer so they receive the corrected version promptly. That's all there is to it. Use the search bar to find invoices, open the specific invoice with View and Edit, make your changes on the details screen, and finish with Review and Send. Keeping your invoices accurate is simple once you know where to look. And this approach ensures your records and customer communications stay aligned. Thanks for watching, and keep your books neat and up to date with this quick edit workflow.